Alright, today we're going to go over how to draw Mr. Incredible from the Incredibles movies, the Pixar movies. We're going to do it in a very cute way though. It's going to be a cute version of him. Before I do though, don't forget to check out a word from our sponsor. This is the Armadillo pencil case. It is actually the coolest pencil case ever. You can slide in all kinds of pencils and pens in different sizes. And there's even one at the corner here for markers, like a big fat marker. And what you can do is you can literally put this pencil case on your wrist with Velcro. It also has a magnet inside of it, and it even has this rubber band in the back, and you can slide onto any sketchbook, so it can stick right on the side of any sketchbook. It's amazing. Check it out. The link is in the description. It is arm-adillo.com, and get that before they run out. So that was pretty much a word. Let's get into the drawing. So we're gonna start it with a head. It's gonna be a U shape. Start slowly with a marker, kind of like a square U. And again, this is the cartoony version of Mr. Incredible. Ears are just going to be these flat baby-like ears. Very simple. You can draw a little Y inside there. If you want to cap off the end of it, like he's kind of just befuddled, like, huh. Now we're going to draw the tiny body because it's a cartoon version. If you have any trouble, please pause the video and go back and rewatch it if you have to, or pause where you need to. If you have any questions in the comments, let me know and I can make a follow-up video to clarify it, or I can reply there. Belt, another straight line for his belt. His arm on the other side, on the far end. His glove. His legs go down into these small legs. And this right here is just simple box shapes. We're gonna draw his symbol on his chest, and that's gonna be an eye you. Be careful though, you might kill a marker doing this, but it can give it a better look, a much stronger, bolder look when you do that. But just be careful before you do it, because it can kill the marker. Like I said, you might use way too much ink, depending on you know, if this is just for practice, or if it's not, go ahead and do it. There are sometimes when I do this for, let's say, something big, and I'll run out halfway through, and I'll be like, whoops, now I can't make it right. And you can do the same thing for the feet if you'd like. If the feet are also black. A little edge, because they have I'm not really sure what material they I know they say it in the movie, I think, but in terms of drawing it, it kind of has this latexy look. So now we're gonna go in and we're gonna color it. I'm gonna be using these Rose Art brand colored pencils. Like I said, hopefully you're to this point, and hopefully it's going okay. And if it's going okay, please press that like, that thumbs up. You know, let me know you're with me. Let me know that you're with me. But let's also go into the color now. We're gonna go into the, we're gonna use orange first, because that's the least used color on him, and there's gonna be like around the edges of that circle in the back of the eye, there will be a layer of orange, and also the belt will be orange, and I believe that would be all the orange on him. That'd be all the orange. Hold on. I forgot a color for the skin. The skin, I'm gonna use soft peach or peach. Either one works. But I'm gonna probably use soft peach. Right now, let's go into the hair, or the eye. The eye is gonna be yellow. I'm just gonna be using this yellow colored pencil. And I'm also gonna use the yellow for the hair. I know it's kind of like, he's got kind of blondish, kind of brown, like not brown, but it's blonde, you know. It could be more brown than the icon, but because this is a cartoony version, I'm just gonna use straight yellow for his hair. And I'm just putting this in there very flatly. I'm pushing as hard as not as hard as I can, but I'm grinding it in there, you know. Take your time, because that's how carpal tunnel begins, by you know, squeezing your hand and pushing down really hard. That can really strain your hand, so be very, very careful about that. I gotta write that somewhere. And then let's go into soft peach for the skin. The Incredibles, by the way. Does anybody have a favorite character? For me personally, it was actually him. It was actually Mr. Incredible. I thought he was awesome. I love Craig T. Nelson. He's the voice actor of Mr. Incredible. I know he was in an old show called Coach from the 90s, and now he's doing that voice, and I think it's awesome. But he was such a cool character. I don't know if you like Frozone. I love Frozone also, but I really like Mr. Incredible a lot. And kind of his story. And I'm excited to see the second movie. I have not seen the second movie. It came out in the theaters this weekend. Have not had a chance to see it. I am very, very excited. And So we did that flat, and now we're gonna go in and we're gonna do the red, which is totally broken. I'm gonna actually sharpen it right now. One moment. Sharpened it, and I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna be careful because it's kind of too sharp almost. I think it's gonna break if I really push down on it. So I'm trying to take care and move it around. Another question I have, if you guys, you know, feel like answering this one, what's your favorite Pixar movie? I'm really, for me, this was my favorite Pixar movie. It was this, then Toy Story. I mean, The Incredibles 1. I haven't seen The Incredibles 2 yet. Toy Story. If you want a specific Toy Story, I like Toy Story 3 a lot. Like a lot. I was obsessed with that movie. I was obsessed with number 1 and 2 as well, but number 3 was awesome. I love it. And then I liked WALL-E. Forgot what else. Bug's Life was even pretty cool. I know people didn't, you know, that wasn't really a big one, but I really liked the Bug's Life. So let's color this in flat. And that's pretty much it. Another thing, if you guys want if you guys like drawing cute stuff is like your thing, I would say what a better option is get my free ebook. I'm gonna have it here on the bottom below. I'm gonna put in the links and get that free ebook. It's totally free, and it gives you kind of a lot of shortcuts and, you know, things on tips on drawing anything cute, right? Because cuteness has a design, and I kind of go over it pretty much step by step in kind of a diagram form on that ebook. So that ebook is really invaluable. You know, just click that link, and it's super simple, super incredibly simple. Otherwise, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. I've grown so much this last year, and it's really thanks to you guys. Yeah, I'm super humbled, and you know, yeah, it's just amazing. I'm super humbled. I can't believe it. It's surreal. Just darkening this in. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Talk to you soon, okay? See you later.